Welcome to our channel. If your Fire Stick is experiencing persistent issues or you want to restore it to its original state, follow these steps to perform a factory reset safely. Step 1. Understand that a factory reset will erase all downloaded apps, settings, and personal data from your Fire Stick. Make note of any apps or settings you want to restore after the reset. Step 2. Press the Home button on your Fire Stick remote and navigate to Settings at the top of the screen. Scroll right and select My Fire TV to access device management options. Step 3. Scroll down and select Reset to Factory Defaults. A warning message will appear explaining that this action will erase all content and data from your Fire Stick permanently. Step 4. Highlight Reset and press the Select button on your remote to confirm. Your Fire Stick will immediately begin the reset process, which typically takes several minutes to complete. Step 5. Do not unplug your Fire Stick during the reset process. The device will automatically restart several times as it erases data and restores factory settings. Step 6. Once complete, your Fire Stick will boot to the initial setup screen as if it were brand new. You'll need to select your language and connect to your Wi-Fi network again. Step 7. Sign in with your Amazon account credentials when prompted. This will restore your purchased apps and allow you to download any previously installed applications from your library. Step 8. If the factory reset didn't resolve your issues, or if your Fire Stick won't boot properly, you can perform a hard reset by holding the back button and right side of navigation ring simultaneously for 10 seconds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.